Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka Edday ni akorwo akiaria o drama ino ikigia audio ici cia Trizah igithiaga na mbere kunyagio guku online. Andu aria marakoretwo makinyitirira Trizah na njira nene muno ni monekanite kwaga gukenio ni miario iyo. In fact aingi makionekana riu gukorwo magisupport Wanja Nyarari, no hwai wa ira Trizah ni arakorirwo akirekereria a very long post apologizing to her fans na makiria brands iria ikoretwo ikimwitikia na gukorwo ikirutithania wira nake. O Trizah agithiaga na mbere ku apologize. Kenyans ne makorwo makirugama na Wanja Nyarari who was on the receiving end of the leaked audio cia Trizah iria irakorirwo ikirekererio muthenya wa ira, but Trizah on her end ni akorwo acknowledge mahitia make na akorwo apologize akiuga ni arona damage caused by miario iyo yake, na akorwo akiuga gutiri utahitagia na ni etikira mahitia make and she has apologized. Edday who also supported Trizah riria akorirwo akiyumiria na maurito ma muturire na makiria ma muturire wa kihiko giake ni onekana gukorwo comment on the issue, though not so direct. Edday onekana tara address the drama na akorwo akiandika akiuga ati sometimes God withholds the desires of your heart until you have released the people and things not meant to grow with you. Na akorwo akiongerera na kuga stay grounded, trust the process and watch your life unfold into something truly beautiful. Akionekana we gukorwo akirekereria miario ya gukorwo encourage a specific person gukorwo stay grounded and trusting the process and also watching how life will unfold into a beautiful story. Ni ndeto iria irakikunuka guku online shikegie Trizah na isha jama ici shikegie brand ino yake. Make sure ni turn on your notification or subscribe niguo gakorwo ri wa mbere gukinyirwo ni video citu. Tucemanie na wa next one.